And I'm back, and I clicked on my screen and it moved me. Ooh, we've been waiting for you. Are you ready to face us? Quickly, elephant in the room. They were moved position. That was very much because I went out to grind a bit because I wasn't sure about my levels, so I grind up for like 2 levels. Our team level is now 40 instead of 38. Alias question mark? So we have no information on who these are. And if I am correct, then it's not the Dark Emperors. I might be wrong actually looking at their typings. It shouldn't be the Dark Emperors. I think the Dark Emperors will reveal themselves. Yeah, no, that's it. I am still very much debating it, but I don't think it is. That was a sound glitch. Don't know if you heard that. Asteroid belt. Okay. Alright, we got the ball. Apparently the side. I wouldn't have agreed with that, but I didn't see the other side, I guess. Right, Flame Dance has to win. Flame Dance, okay. Things not going smooth. Ooh, he's offside. I'm glad I didn't insta-pass. Would have not ended well. Illusion Ball. I'm very quickly gonna close my browser app. That I think will make me lag. I think here I might see if it's Dark Emperors or not. If it's Dark Emperors, I know which move you should use. But I think the typings are the same, which is interesting. No, wait, never mind. Yeah, no, there's no way. This is a totally different team, and I know which is this. Yay, we're winning! Rio! Da-da-da. Land of Ice! And we overpower him, which is nice. It's weird that they play with robes. I feel like that kinda... And it's weird that you can unlock this. Imagine if you can unlock playing with robes. How cool would that be? Da-da-da-da-da-da. I missed with Aphrodite. Aphrodite is coming back for the revenge thingy. Yay! Sliding tackle. Go Aphrodite. Hey! Okay, we're dribbling. 1-2. Quick 1-2. Oh my god. Fuck. I wanted to get thingy away. What's his name? DM away, and I got Aphrodite away. I ruined my plans, but the 2 still comes. Oh, move level. Hello. Oh! Oh. We are not in time. Oh! Let's go. Got the nose. Let's go. We are superior. I mean, it still isn't to the main opponent, so if we were not superior here, we would have been in big trouble. But hey, at least we're like overly, like clearly superior. Also, if the goalkeepers is who I think it is, I very much wonder what happens. Is this 2 halves or 1 half? Yep. Sliding tackle. Even though that's not moves, I really shouldn't call it out like that, but hey. Halftime. Okay. It seems like 1 half. Rah. Come on, Ryman, you can do it. Jude! Celia! The Dark Emperors aren't nearly as strong as they were cracked up to be. We can do it, we can win this. Yep. Yeah. But you're... Charles. What's happening? What are we doing here? Or how could you? You're the Inazuma veterans. I don't know, after you left, we were captured by these people in robes, and now... all of a sudden we're here. They caught us off guard, Mark. It captured us and hypnotized, apparently. Look, Carpenter, Sky! These are the Dark Emperors. Making a grand entrance.
Wait, it's him. Good day to you. Now, everyone, aren't you going to say hello to the rhyme on 11?
You can see some of, yeah, you can see their faces already.
It's been a while, hasn't it, Mark? Nathan! And you're all here! But why?
Ouch. That hurts! The Dark Emperors.
Why so surprised, Mark? Aren't you happy to see us? Nathan! But why? I hate to do this to you. I really do. But we're going to have to defeat you. Why, Nathan? What happened? Everyone has their limits. Discovering your own is painful. We've been given a chance to overcome those limits. Now we're stronger. Now we have power beyond our wildest...
Oh, I skipped it a bit.
Crystal gives you. It's wrong, Nathan.
It is.
Why is it so wrong? Prove it! Prove we're wrong!
So were you? You were the role players we heard about. And your kids, they look just like Alias kids? That's because they are. We are the zenith, the pinnacle, the apex of Alias's ambitions. We are the Dark Emperors. You can't be serious. You... That burst ball by the river, was it you, Nathan? You found our message, I'm happy to hear it. Pretty impressive, eh? Oranges have healed up nicely, wouldn't you say? Boy. Team average. I still feel like all these characters, like the Dark Emperors, all the Alias characters, should be alter egos for the ones that are known, like Savior, and I think they might have done that in Inazuma 11-3 if like they kept alter egos, because they deleted alter egos totally there. Which is kinda sad, but at the other hand, it is what it is. Nathan, you used to put your heart and soul into trying to be faster, didn't you? Come on, Steve, Max, Jim, all of you. It was always about trying your best and about getting out what you put in it. Emotionals, blah blah. Shut up and fight, Evans. Yeah, there's your answer, Mark. Now what are you going to do? No, I won't do it. I'm afraid you do not have a choice. Nathan, please proceed. Yes, Master. We will destroy Raymond Junior High. Not again! Stop! Don't make them do this. I'm afraid it's out of my hands now. The order has been given. Yeah, ha ha ha. You dirty, stinking, low-down... Yeah. Okay, you're on. We'll take them on. Mark! I mean, you can't let Raymond get destroyed again. You tell him, Mark. It's the end of the line, Wiles. You will go down. So do I get a chance to heal, or is it going to heal me automatically? Because one of the two is important. Yeah, ha ha ha. Listen, people of Japan. You feeble fools! I am your new ruler, Godric Wiles. Spoken reasonably too soon. But I notice there's some kind of movie? Axel! Yeah, it's not that movie if Axel's in it. The Alias crystal radiates a glorious sublime energy. Mark, what's going on? Please, Dad, you have to help Mark. Aww. Those who harness this energy are unstoppable. Hurry, we need to contact the heads of every country. Right away, sir. My dark thingy, blah blah, dark energy crystal, dark emperors, yes. Cloister's looking master. No, how could this happen? Soon the whole world will bow down before me, Godric Wiles. With the defeat of the Raymond 11, which hasn't happened yet, Operation Genesis will be back on track. He's speaking of things that have yet to happen and might also not happen. which, I mean, I am the main character. I am playing as Raymond, which is the MC of the game, basically, the team. So I would assume we win. I could also suck very hard at this game and lose, but we will find that out quite about now. Come on, Mark. Come and get us. Blog. Yeah, okay, we still have unhealed. Oh yeah, also something I did is like power level Mark's guard, it's now 93. That's about all. Let's look at the blog one last time. This music is banging! Who'd have thought the Dark Emperors would turn out to be Nathan and the others? Mark, you have to help them rediscover the joy of football. Nathan, Kevin, all of you, please wake up, you have to! Come on, Mark, take us on. Ha, that's what the Mark I know. Prepare to witness our power. So for the people who haven't realized yet, they are hypnotized by their alias crystal. I think that's what they told earlier in the chat. If not, I'm fast spoiled.
Ready, Mark? I'm going to be in the dugout for this one. It's been a while.
Hey.
Really? Does this mean you're coming out of retirement, Coach Hillman?
Something like that. Now I want to see you giving it everything you've got out there today. I won't tolerate any sloppiness.
Yes, Coach!
That's the spirit.
Okay, everyone. Let's...
Oh.
I'm not going to let any more of my friends or family come to harm. That's a promise.
Nice, Jude.
They showed me the error of my ways when I stopped playing football. Now it's my turn to show them that they're making a mistake.
Yeah.
All right, Nathan. We're going to remind you of just how much fun football can be.
Yeah.
Don't make me laugh.
Don't make you laugh, don't make you laugh. We're not making you laugh, you're laughing on yourself, you idiot. I'm sorry. Down, 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 down. Aphrodite, Jude. Do I want to keep with this? Also, apparently, she learns 2 goalkeeper moves, which is rather fucking useless. What other formations are there? I'm actually... Yeah. I could give this a chance. Wait, no. Yeah, I'd be down actually. I don't know which is gonna be furthest forward. Oh yeah, I also leveled up Fireball Storm, which you haven't seen yet, but should have been midfield, huh? So they level 44, 75 kick, 72 kick for Shadow, damn. They nice, my boy. 7 defense without a defense move. Yeah, Bamboo Pattern is the Shadow stage, Dual Strike. Wait, what? They haven't given him Dual Smash yet, which is legit. Dual Smash and Clone Block are 2 of the moves that like they bronze with him yet. So they changed him to midfielder, which is I feel like what he usually should be anyway. They changed Thought to midfielder as well, which is again what I feel like he should be anyway. I also feel like I'm dropping frames, but that's a totally different, entirely different issue. This is going slower, isn't it? Is it not? I'm not actually sure. It feels slower. But it's entirely possible that I'm just straight up wrong. Astro break. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to score or not. Shut bucket. I might not be. But he is losing TP at least. Come on, try harder, or is it the limit of your skills? I feel them getting it too. Ah! The wall, guy. Okay, let's figure it out. If we are allowed to score with a leveled up Fireball Storm with a type advantage, with Fired Up, this should be able to go in. If it doesn't, we're not allowed to score. And we've wasted our Fire Up. Basically. Double Rocket. We are allowed to score. Let's go. Yay! Rio, that won't happen again. Well, there's two things I'm gonna do. Menu. I'm gonna switch those around, and I'm gonna close every browser I have. Epic Games already closed. Okay, yeah, no. So, because I do feel like I'm dropping frame. Oh, yeah. Mark, are you alright? You're always one step, They'll know exactly how you play, they know all your weaknesses. Is there any way to beat them without, yeah. If we could just get our hands on... No! Mark, you can't use the Alice Crystal to beat them. It would be a meaningless victory. Alright, you lot, bring it on! We can stop with anything you throw at us. Pain, suffering, even your desire to destroy football.
Becoming powerful feels incredible. There's nothing incredible about power that you haven't earned. You have to play using your own skills.
Gasp. Oh.
You really think you can beat Royal Academy, don't you? Of course I do. We've got to give it a try. With luck on our side, anything's possible. You're enough to convince anyone, Mark. Of course I'll join the football club. Thanks, Nathan. We could really use your speed on the team.
It's flashback.
But it's all pointless unless you're powerful. What hope is there for the weak?
There's always hope. You just have to believe in yourselves. Think about all those days we spent training.
Flashback.
As soon as Axel joined, the team felt completely different. Whenever I watch him shoot, I just wish I could be more like him. I don't want to be second best to Axel. I want to be able to shoot like he can.
But you don't need to try and be like Axel. You're Kevin Dragonfly. You've got your own special style. You just need to have a bit more confidence in yourself.
True.
Power is everything. Winning is everything. A defeat is no good to anyone.
They gave
That's
Max
not
one.
True. Every defeat teaches us something.
I kind of skipped the gas with it.
Hey, you can call me Max. Oh, I'm really bored, but you guys look like you're having fun. I've never played a game of football, but I'm willing to play any position. Great! Versatility is vital. I've got high hopes for you, Max. Oh,
We're so much more powerful now. We're so much stronger.
that kind of strength means nothing. You didn't earn it yourselves. Real strength is earned through blood, sweat, and tears.
Agreed. Flashback for Sam. So I assume Steve will get one and Timmy will get one?
Against those Royal Academy guys, Mark, we've got no chance.
That's not true. As long as you love football, you've always got a chance.
Will Jim get
We
one?
can't give up before we've even started.
Oh no.
Shut up! Please, everyone, listen to what Mark's saying. Remember how he made you feel.
Aw. I feel like there might be a second bit with like Steve, Timmy, and Jim? And Todd. I mean, I feel like definitely Todd will get one because Todd got way too much love. Mole Shuffle. You chose wrong, DM, but I feel like there should still be a chance to choose right. It's like a thing, right? You can't win it, or you can win it, but you can't see the animation. It's like fun if like there's like a 50-50 chance. But like if you win it, like you get the ball and he gets the medal. Spinning good. Yeah, this is lagging. That spinning cup was lagging. YOLO! Tsunami boost from here. That evolved as well. Kai. And Kawabunga. Imagine as a child. Well, now I know, like, oh, it's evolving, it's in 3, it's in Go, it's in 2. But, like, as a child, I was playing the game, I was like, move level up. I was like, wait, did he level up mid-game? What the hell is this then? And I was like, then I was a move level. I was like, ah, okay. Confused me quite a bit. Aurora Dribble. Kind of fits him. I feel like he should have used it in the anime. It would have been fun. Did he use? No, he didn't. No. Did he? It's not against the possibilities. Alright, alright, alright. Legendary Wolf. Kai. Drum. I feel like they could have added a real wolf run. Shot pocket. No way. What? What? I feel cheated. Bamboozled. I'm stolen. I mean, you can just stop the half, no? Monkey turn. With his hair like that, he looks more like a monkey, to be honest. Monkey. Correct, yeah. So they're all supposed to be tired, but they're doing quite fine in the match itself. Because I'm not under-leveled, even though they're all 5 levels higher than me or something. Yeah, excellent. The Dark Emperor's truly... We're winning! Stop calling them the Dark Emperors. They're our friends, and they'll always be members of the Raymond 11. Ah. I love how, like, the dialogue, there's no different dialogue. Like, you're supposed to be losing. If you're not, you're doing something wrong. But that's okay. Hang in there, Ryman. Give it... This in the anime is probably my favorite scene of all time, of every season there is. Because right here in the anime they are losing. And it's Ryman, Lyma, Julia. Come on, Ryman. Come on, we have to cheer them on. There's only one Ryman 11. One Ryman 11. We love you, Ryman. We do. We love you, Ryman. We do. Oh, Ryman, we love you. It's like here's like different. Here's like come on, Ryman, come on. It's like in the anime it's like Lima, Lima, and it switches from like place to place. Like Lima, Lima. It's so amazing. Get on, Darren. Get on, Ryman. What's the weirdo? What? Get in the blimmin' boot, Ryman. You can do it in Sim 11. I know Dave is watching over you. They should have done the clip, and I think they still might. Just a clip of like Lima, Lima. Come on, Ryman. Come on, Ryman. Girl, you can do it, man. Will they do it at the gate? There were people at the gate. There was Millie was sitting on Biller's neck. Come on, Ryman. 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 Come on, give me a movie clip. Listen to that. They're all cheering us on. I can feel them all willing us to win. We have to do this. Give me the gate scene. Give me it in a clip. He stood up. That boy. Ah! Is that all you've got? So much for the almighty Dark Emperors. They haven't even used Dark Phoenix yet. If you're so powerful, bring it on. Show us what you're really made of. Never giving up, no matter what. That's the mark, I know. And that's the mark I so definitely want to beat. Come on! No, you don't. No, you don't. Oh, no, you won't, I mean. Everyone wants to beat this mark. No one will. Definitely not the Dark Emperors. Asteroid Belt. That sucks. Also, apparently Peabody and Aurelia from Mark's class are supposed to be in the Dark Emperors, but they got replaced by Malcolm. So the Dreadlock guy. And, no, wait. No, they got replaced by Fel, the goalkeeper at Shadow. Which, I mean, Shadow is great, so... Yeah, that's a little fact for you. Alright, show what you got. A Fireball Storm, level 2. Let's go. And ain't no way he's saving that without a goalkeeper move. And I don't know if he can use Shot Bucket. Yeah, there's no chance. Easy. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Will it activate another cutscene is the question. Bang, get in. That won't happen again. Prepare to lose. Am I just supposed to win, or is the cutscene still coming? Because I'm rather confused. And I just don't know what to expect right now. I mean, realistically, I could let them shoot, but that, for that I would like... Fuck. They can still fire up, huh? Spinning. Good! I'm gonna take the executive risk of letting them shoot and see what that brings forward. Oh wait, we won. Lol. Alright. I mean, they're not really helping themselves, so fuck it. Oh, no! Bobby, Bobby, go down! Play a fist of justice. Revolution. There. Volcano cut will weaken it. Blocked? Damn, they're bad. That was them fired up as well. Oh boy, then this is problematic. This is problematic. He has 290 TP. Hell yeah! Man is strong. Let's use a 70 somewhat cake. Though, I use a stronger move. I use a mega move. And I have 90. Fairness would say I win this. And I do. And I also use half of my TP. Which is less fun. Oh. That's a nice feed forward at least. Where is Ferrari and Jude? They're burned out now. Sliding tackle. Wins. Sliding tackle. Does it win this time? Yeah. Can I get past bamboo pattern? I cannot. But I don't think there's a cutscene yet. Still left. So therefore I do think we win. Game over, win. I'll take it. Why is he in the mid-circle? Why is he there?
What's this?
Let's play football! Let's play football! Let's play football! Thank you, Captain.
But this can't be. That's Mark.
Unhand me. I am the overlord of the entire planet. In case you hadn't been informed. I mean, you're the only one informed in that case, because you're a loser. Now back to quieter pastures. Because I did up in the sound, which you might have heard. Wells is in custody. This is too loud still. This will be fine. I opened the sound because I felt like it was like a moment where you wanted to hear the dialogue loud and clear. What are we going to do with this lot? I suppose I'll leave that up to you, Mark. What will you do, Mark? Yo. Throw him for the lions. Kill him. What? Imagine. Isn't that obvious? 3 guesses. You got 3 guesses.
Mark, we really...
Mark, you really never change, do you?
I'm not the only one. Come on, you lot haven't changed much either. Thank you. Come on, everyone! Let's get the Raimon Football Club up and running again!
What? You're gonna forgive us for the things we've done?
What's that got to do with anything? We're teammates, aren't we? I knew you'd see sense in the end. I had faith. Know what? There really is only one Mark Evans.
As long as there are young people like that, the future of our country is in safe hands. Wouldn't you agree? And that Mark Evans in particular.
Yes, he's had a huge influence on them all. A boy like that, he could really change the world.
Indeed he could. I wonder what his secret is.
I think he might be the biggest football nut on this or any other planet.
You're not wrong.
Come on! Let's play football! Yay!
And with that, I'm gonna put this a lot louder now, and I'm gonna talk over it a bit. So with this, as you can see, it's the end of Inazuma 11 2 Blizzard. What I am thinking of doing is going out and battling Gazelle, the main, well, this game exclusive alien team, which you've seen before. And next to that, I don't think I'll do anything more with Inazuma 11 2, and I will directly go to a new series, which most likely be Pokemon Conquest. There's a couple of series I've planned, like, first of all, like, obviously Inazuma 11 3, together with Redark, hopefully, if everything works out as normal. If it's, again, gonna be another 8 months, we're probably not gonna do it. Next to that, I'm planning the Pokemon Conquest, which will follow now, once we work out all the details. I'm also gonna do a Pixelmon series. And an Inazuma 11 Strikers. Inazuma 11 Strikers I will stream on Twitch, though, and I will upload the highlights, or, like, the matches, to YouTube. So, my link of my Twitch is in the description, so if you are interested in seeing that live, feel free to go follow me there, just for 55 RL. Rock League, which I still have done way too little with in my name. But anyways, oh yeah, no, I also want to give a shout out to my friend Redark, because he's finally gonna start his Inazuma 11 2 Firestorm playthrough. So look out for that soon, because he will do it. And it will be absolutely amazing. So go subscribe to Redark and watch his Inazuma 11 2 Firestorm, because it's gonna be nuts. Anyway, thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed too, please leave a like button. Subscribe if you haven't already for more Inazuma, Nintendo, anything content. And goodbye. Wait, no, we should probably watch this clip till the end. Do we? I mean, it's a nice clip, so I think it's almost close to the end, because like it's over these chapter 7 here. Anything else I want to shout out? Oh yeah, follow me on Twitter. I'm trying to grow there too. Just with 55 dollars again. If there's any kind of content you do want to see as well, feel free to put it in the comments, because I do want to know what you guys want to think, because I love Inazuma 11 and I want to do as much Inazuma 11 as possible, but there's such a limited amount that I just don't know anymore. And I'm really hoping, well, first of all, luckily, thanks to a great creators, Go Galaxy is also translated, so we can play that. But then, after that, like, we have to hope for Inazuma 11 Great Road of Heroes to release. which right now isn't even well, it's supposedly confirmed, but it's delayed, and it's so many question marks. We don't even know what's gonna come. That it's so limited. It's so scary to think that after Galaxy, I might just not have any Inazuma 11 content to record or to play myself, and it really sucks. So yeah, this is the end, by the way. Back in the Raymond Kit, hey, with soda, because they're too young to drink beer. Are they? They might not be, but they don't. Is there anything coming next? The end. So yeah, this is the end of the Inazuma 11 2 Blizzard series. Thank you all for watching. I really enjoyed recording this and like just throwing back to a game I used to play so much as a kid. And yeah. See you all next time. Bye.